here for this dedication of our banner in honor of Sergeant Elder Fernandes, who served his country proudly during wartime. He answered the call to service. He was a dedicated soldier. He left us too early, and we wanted to show how important his service was to our country and to the citizens of Brockton who loved him. At this time, I'd like to invite Mrs. Fernandes. Would you like to say something? Please come to the podium.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. I just want to thank the Brockton City for doing this for my son and the VA. And to let everybody know that Elder just want to make all of us proud. He wants to make his family proud. He wants to make his country proud. He just left us too soon. Thank you.
It's a difficult time for the family, as you can imagine. And as I say, we felt obligated to commemorate his selfless service to this country during wartime. Mayor of Brockton is invited to say a few words on behalf of the city of Brockton.
Good morning, everybody. I want to first of all thank everybody for being here. We attempted to do this yesterday, but it was a little too rainy. On behalf of the city of Brockton, to the Fernandes family, as I said that day at the funeral on the altar, I'm so sorry for your loss. I do want to recognize and thank Senator Brady, State Representative Jerry Cassidy, State Representative Michelle Dubois, City Councilor Shirley Azak, School Committee Tim Sullivan, School Committee Joyce Azak, and David Farrell, Veteran Service, and his team. What this says up here speaks truth. Hometown hero. Sergeant Elder Fernandes was a hero. He served his country, but he loved Brockton. He represented the city of champions. He was a proud graduate of Brockton High School. And as I said again the day of the funeral, he is in heaven with the angels. And I know there's grief and there's sadness, and it will always be there. But I do know that you should take comfort in that we love you. We honor you, we respect you. When we drive by Legion Parkway, Elder will always be here looking down. And this is one of 20 that we'll be doing. And again, I just want to say thank you, and God bless each and every one of you.
Isabel, would you like to say anything? Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I just want to say thank you for all of you that has been there for us since day one. Everyone from my work colleagues, from all the citizens of Brockton, you guys all have been there for us since the beginning. Thank you very much for taking your time and being here with us today. Thank you.
Are there any other family members who would like to recall any special memories they have of Elder? All right. He'll always remain in our hearts forever, and this is a sign from the city of Brockton of gratitude toward his heroic service. Thank you.